Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to customize your chair to fit you. This is the DB53 Office Master chair. It's contoured here to allow for free shoulder movement. That's why I love this chair. Whatever allows you to move freely is so important so you don't get a desk injury. Other chairs are more square-backed and they kind of limit that movement and kind of encourage that forward rolled shoulder movement. I don't want that for you. I want you to be able to get in a perfect posture and bring your shoulders back because that's what you need. Because a lot of times people get in that rounded posture, they get out of the chair and they're still in the rounded posture. So this kind of chair is going to help you not do that. So let's get into some of the features of the chair so you'll know how to customize this chair to you. Now I have to warn you, this chair doesn't quite fit me. It's a little too high, but I'm still going to go over the features with you. See, my feet aren't flat on the floor. But if you go into this first paddle, this is how you adjust the height of the chair. Here it is right here. It's usually a wobbly paddle, kind of wobbles, but it's locked right now. So I'm going to push it up, pull it up, and then it's just going to, if I take a little pressure off the chair, see how it just goes up normally. Very easily, very smoothly. That's the way everything should work. It should be very smooth to do. If it's not smooth, it means something's wrong with the chair. So as you can see, it's too high for me, so let's drop it down. So the biggest thing about adjusting the height of a chair is your knees should not be higher than your hips. And my knees are not higher than my hips right now. Okay, that's how you know if the chair is adjusted properly. They can be slightly lower than your hips or at 90 degrees. That's where you adjust the height. The next paddle is a little bit further back. We'll look for it here. This paddle is going to move the whole seat forward and back. So I unlock it by pressing up on the paddle, and now you can see I can rock. Okay? So we'll go to the side here. See the chair rocks down. Now, you want to put it into a position where you want it to be. Some people like it to be all the way back like this so they can lean back and talk on the phone. So then you just go back to that paddle. I want to make sure I have the right one. There's two of them. You drop it down and you lock it. So now it's locked back. In that back position. Now that's not really where I like it, so I'm going to unlock it again. I'm going to come forward a little bit to 90 degrees and then lock it. So that's where I like it. So got caught in my. So now the next feature on this chair is the very last paddle, and that's going to make this move. I unlock it, and now you can see this moves. Okay? Again, some people like it to move back. This is a great feature for somebody with longer legs because this can go back and now I can lock it and I have more room here. But this isn't a good feature for me because it's too big for me. The seat is too big. So I unlock it again, I bring it forward, and then I lock it. Now it won't move. Now, the next feature is called the seat slider. This is the seat, and it's going to slide when I use this paddle. Okay? Sometimes this seat slider is in the front of the chair. Here we go. Press it, I go forward. You see? It's sliding. If I want to lock it, I unlock it. I let go of it. Now it's locked in place. It won't move anymore. So somebody with longer legs would want this to move more. And this would be comfortable for them. Not comfortable for me, so I'm going to push it back again, lock it, and now it's a way you adjust this chair so that you don't have pressure behind your leg here. The back of the seat pan, that's what this is called, should not touch my legs. There should be like 2 to 3 fingers distance between legs. Now, the last feature I'm going to show, or the next feature I'm going to show you is the back. This is has low back support. If I take it all the way up, it's going to drop all the way down. Now, I can adjust it to fit my low back, to go into the small of my back. I'm going to show you. I'll go to the first one. See how it just locks. Now this isn't the perfect position for me yet. I just wanted to show you how it locks into place. I'm going to take it up one more, and now you can see it's contoured to me. There's no space back there. It's a good fit now. One more feature here are the armrests. I don't use armrests, but some people like to have armrests. These armrests are so simple. There's a little area where my fingers go, just drops down. Press that area, locks into place, locks into place. I like it at the highest setting if I'm gonna have them, but they easily come off. There's a little thing right here, an adjustment here. It pinches and these armrests just go away. It's wonderful. Okay, so now with a footrest, or if I rest on the legs, this is a good fit for me. I would use a footrest though. So now you know it's very easy to adjust this chair. You know all the features, they're very simple to use, you know where they should be for your body. Now you can get into any office chair and you can adjust it to fit you. You're not at the mercy of just sitting in it, it doesn't fit you, but you don't know how to do it, and so you're just gonna, let it be what it is. No, you want it to be a custom fit because you don't want to get a desk injury. You want to prevent any kind of problems that can happen with your low back, with your neck, with your shoulders. So now here I am with my footrest. Now I have the perfect fit. My feet are flat on my footrest. The seat is contoured to me. The whole chair is contoured to me. It's a customized fit. I feel great. Now I can work and then take breaks every 20 minutes because I believe in breaks. All right. Now you know how to adjust your chair.